how to fix Facebook login problem. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So what you want to do is just search for Facebook right here. Okay, let's wait a few seconds, and now scroll until you find Facebook, click on it, click on force stop, and then click on the storage like this. Click on clear data, clear cache, go back and click on the power usage details, disable the power consumption alert, and go down here, click on force stop, and now go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless add networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it and disable it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.